Good evening, I'm Anna Manuel. People in Decatur are taking matters into their own hands when it comes to potholes and ditches. Twin States News' Todd finds out why they feel the need to do this.
Potholes just like this one is riddled all along Country Club Drive in Decatur. And that has these pavement vigilantes out to make sure that they're taken care of, even if they have to do it themselves.
Well, we've had to fix potholes in the front when the city initially took some slag out, so I fixed it myself. This is an ongoing issue that's been going on for ever since the road's been built, or ever since we were annexed. We're taxed, but we get nothing from the city.
Ricky Stevens says he and other neighbors are having to do all these things that should be done by the city. Stevens said he spoke with the city worker who told him they put 40 to 50 patches on Country Club Drive, but Stevens says the patches obviously aren't working.
Potholes are not the only concern that these citizens have. They also stress the importance of ditches, or in their words, lack thereof.
As you ride down this road, the ditches are full. They've never been cleaned out. The riprap doesn't let the water from the rain run. It doesn't run uphill. Now it's cut a path and going out through the neighbor's yard and our yard.
Stevens told Twin States News about a business owner on this road who physically had to shovel in dirt in the potholes in front of his store so his customers' vehicles weren't damaged.
This is the store in question that had to fix the potholes, and although I did reach out to the owner and interview him, he declined to be on camera. He did confirm that he did fix the potholes. However, he said that his main concern is and always will be his customers, and he'll do whatever it takes to make sure that their experience here is a positive one.
As a prior service member and the veterans know, this looks like Highway 1 IEDs going off the way this road looks with all the potholes. I mean, when your own city vehicles, the cop cars are having to dodge the potholes to keep from wrecking, that's an issue.
Twin States News did reach out to the city of Decatur for their side of the story. However, as of yet, we have not heard from them. This is Todd, Twin States News, Meridian.